Hey, what's up everyone? Nomadic Gaijin here. Today we're doing Japan Bites, which is just little tips, tricks, hacks to enjoying Japanese food, culture, and travel. So first today I'm going to be talking about another way to enjoy things like takoyaki, okonomiyaki, yakisoba, with a little bit of a different flavor twist. So on takoyaki, generally you have some sauce, mayonnaise, and aonori, which is this little green seaweed dust. And then on okonomiyaki, you got the same kind of stuff, also some katsuobushi, which is bonito flakes on it. Those little things that dance around, kind of freak you out the first time you ever have okonomiyaki. Two ingredients that you can replace those with that are really delicious. This is not quite a Japanese taste, it's kind of a fusion taste, but I love it. Salt and Japanese mayonnaise. And that's all you do is you put just this on top of takoyaki, okonomiyaki, you can put it in yakisoba, anything, and it's just super delicious. So I'm gonna show you, let's check it out. So for a good example today, I'm gonna take just some freezer takoyaki, but this kind is my favorite. You ever seen this before? This is from a restaurant called Gindako, which I love. It's a chain restaurant that's all over Japan. I found this at 7-Eleven. You may be able to find this at other places, but I've only ever found it at 7-Eleven. So inside, it's just really easy. Inside you've got, just like I talked about, the katsuobushi and the aonori are here. And then we've got Gindako's special blend, herbs and seasonings. And then a simple pack you can microwave just as is. All right, here it is. Basically, just put it in the microwave like this, heat it up, and it's good to go. It's not as good as the real thing, but it's close enough. First thing you do is put the Japanese mayonnaise on. That way the salt sticks to it just right. A little bit sloppy, but you get the idea. Then take some salt. You've got a unique take on Japanese cuisine. Itadakimasu.